I am going to show you how to add a customizer to your Shopify store. So as you can see, I just have a regular store here. It's a brand new store. The only thing I did here was add the theme Dawn, which is a free theme that comes with Shopify. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to add apps on the side here, and we're going to go to Shopify App Store, and then we are going to we're going to just type in Riverr and install. Okay, and now we are just going to press install here. So now the app has been successfully authorized. As you can see, it took me to a Riverr account. Now my Riverr account is going to have a different name than my Shopify just because I already made this account, so it connected it straight to the Riverr account. You can create a Riverr account first if you like, or you can just download the app. Either way it works. One thing you want to do is come here first. If you did create the Shopify app first, you're going to want to come here and create a password and update it. That way you can log in through the actual app itself and you don't have to click it through the Shopify app every time. So then we're going to go to the settings. So now we're in settings and we are going to go to our pricing tables. This is the table that we're going to use for pricing on our Shopify store. So we're just going to go to add pricing table, and then we're going to name it screen print. And then we can have the print method screen print, and that's going to help us with colors, because screen printing, you're going to want to know how many colors the print is for the price of the garment. So we can upcharge the blank if we want. If not, we can leave it. And then we can have discounts for multiple print locations if we like. Screen setup, I'm just going to leave that free. And then we can set up the quantity. So let's say we want the quantity 1 to 99 to be something. So we'll just put 100 here. So now we have 1 to 99 is one price. 100 to 500 is another price, or 499. And then we can do 700 and so on. So now we have the colors. So what is your price for one color? That's going to be our cheapest one because it's just one screen. So 1 to 99, we can just put 30, let's say, and then we can do 28 and 25. So the more they get, the cheaper the price. And then we can just go to the next one. So 2 colors are going to be more expensive. So 32, 30, 28. And so we can just save this. And now we are ready to add our blank product. So now we can go to the settings, and we're going to go to blank products, and we're going to go to add product. And for this one, I'm going to add it from S&S. Let's just do a 3001Y. And I'm just going to add black and cardinal. We can do all the sizes if we like. And then I'm just going to do screen print. So now we're going to go and press front. And I'm going to move this here, create placements. Let's just do 7 by 8 for these. Put it right in the middle, press done. Okay. And so now you're going to see right here, there's 2 places where we can add the customized product to our channel. So we can do it right here. And we can do it in another place as well. So as you can see, it's grayed out. We need to select pricing. And now it's letting me. So select that. Decoration method, screen print. Got to keep moving this around. And then featured image. This is just the image that it shows. You can also change this image in Shopify if you'd like. So now we're going to go to channel. And we're going to do it to my store. So it's the store I just made. And we're going to go to add blank product. Now that blank product has been added, and let's say you made the blank product, you forgot to choose that, you can actually come right into the products here. And you can, if you select the pricing table here, then you can come over here and add it from the edit as well. So that's how you add it. Now the product is added in our Shopify. Now we can go over there and see it in Shopify itself. And we're gonna have to make a few changes there. So let's go there now. So now you can see the product is in our Shopify store. So we can click on it here, see what it looks like. As you can see, we don't have the customize button yet, so I'm going to show you how you can add that. So we're going to come over here to our online store, and we're going to go to customize, and we're going to go to products, and then default product. Okay, so now we're going to see over here, we have a whole bunch of information. We're going to click add block, and we're going to go over to apps. You're going to see the Riverr customization button app. So that's what takes them to our application. And you can see it added up right there. We're going to want to come here and select these things. We're going to want to delete add to cart and buy now. You can keep that if you want. You can delete it. Yeah, and then you can kind of edit this however you want. You can change, the names, you can change the descriptions. You can kind of add whatever you like to this, but just that customize button has to be there. Okay, so then we can save. And now we're going to go back and go to our store and go to our catalog. And now you can see it's there. And we can click the customize button. Great, so now it's here, and you can see our colors here that we selected. We have the black and the cardinal, and we can design. So your customers can now design. They can upload a file here. So now you can see a maximum of 5 colors can be selected. So you can select all the different colors that you want to use for this image, and then you can press save. And it adds those colors here. You can see the different colors and the different swatches there. And then we can go to preview. And now we can add to cart. And it will ask you which quantities for which color you want. And we can add to the cart here. It's saying none because it has more than 2 colors. And if you remember, in that pricing table, I didn't put the prices for those 2 colors. So if you put all the prices in there, then it won't say that. Just be sure to fill out the entire table. Awesome. So $0, that's a great deal for me. I'm gonna have to go back and put the remaining prices in there. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to our team, and we'd be happy to help.